coming to my channel. Today we're going to be creating a saucy, coppery red smoky eye look. I know I look a little crazy because I just finished doing my foundation and my eyebrows. I'm going to link my in-depth foundation routine up above and down below in the description box, so make sure to go check that out. First, we're going to start out with the Jaclyn Hill palette. Of course, my tried and true. Alright, we're going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette in color Silk Cream. The Morphe Crease Blending Brush in the Gold Collection. And we're going to put it all over our lid and in our crease area. I'm going to keep this brush and I'm going to go into color Butter. Focus it mainly on the corner of my eye and into my crease. And blend it up. And whenever you're doing these eye looks, you want to go back and forth like a windshield wiper and then in circular motions to really get it all blended out. Morphe brush in the Gold Collection. They don't have names or numbers on them, but they're all from their Gold Collection. But it's from fun bristles in it that are really thick and really compact. And now we're going to dip into color Hunt, which is this beautiful orangey shade. We're going to just pack it straight on our lid at the very corner, trying not to get it on the middle section, just on the very edge of our eye. And once you don't have really anything left on your brush, start to blend it up into your crease area in those windshield wiper motions and the circular motions. And since this brush is not a very good blending brush, I'm going to use that brush I used before, dip it in very, very lightly, tap off the excess, and start to blend it back and forth. So now we are going to take the Morphe M443 brush and we're going to dip into Roxanne in the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is just a little bit of a darker shade. We're going to go over the same spots that we just went over with the original orange color. And this brush is a little bit more of a blending brush, so you don't necessarily have to get the other crease brush to really blend this out really well. Just kind of darkened it up just a little bit, but we're staying away from the middle and inner portions of our eyes, focusing on the crease and the outer portions of our lid. I'm going to use the Morphe M153 brush. We're going to start going deeper. We're going to go into the color Jazz. Again, we're just going to take it and we're just going to press it in on the lid, staying away from the crease. Then we're going to take that blending brush that we had that orange on. We're going to go back and forth, blending in that red. Now, the fun part. So, we are going to take the Morphe M167 brush, which is just a flat lid brush, and we're going to spritz it with our Fix Plus. And we are going to go into Cranapple. Start packing it in on the inner corner. And then bringing it around the crease, the inner portion of your crease, and meeting the back portion of where your eyelid is. Yeah, but leaving the intersection open, that's the key. So now we're going to take this fun little shadow brush. We're going to dip into all of the colors that we've used on our lids. We're gonna dip into Hunt's, Butter, and Jazz. No, Hunt's, Butter, and Roxanne. And really start to smoke out our bottom lash line. Now we're going to take an e.l.f. shadow brush, which is just a little bit thinner, but still flat like the MAC one, like the Morphe one. Spritz it. We're going to dip into Firework now. To take Firework, and we're going to just pat it right in the middle of our eyelid. Not blending it, not doing anything, but just packing it on. A lot of fallout. Let's wipe all that away. We're going to dip into Firework, but don't spritz it this time. Dip into Firework and rub that underneath our eyes, right in the middle. You're gonna get Cranberry and put it into your inner corner. Be using the NYX Epic Liner in black, and it has this great felt tip at the end, and we're going to do a wing liner all the way across. Okay, and with this liner, I kind of went down, you see, and touched the bottom lash line a little bit, because we're going to take another little liner, but it's just a pencil liner, and we're going to blend that in and smoke out our waterline. The Benefit Bad Bow Bang Mascara looks like this. And we're going to put that all over our lashes. This stuff is amazing. Like, it is so good. The Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit in color Give Me Mocha. It's gonna go like that. Look like the Natalie Portman in Star Wars. That'd be cool, right? Okay, now we're done. I hope you enjoyed this copper red smoky eye look. If you liked this video and you want to see more, make sure to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Bye, guys.